Again, we have a very unique setup here with the SWIMR Institute for Medical Research in that we have branch offices throughout the world. We actually have offices in Accra, Ghana, Riga, Latvia, Zagreb, Croatia, Belize City, Belize, Juarez, Mexico. In those different offices, what we do is allow the opportunity to do multi-center studies utilizing the local physicians and local universities through collaborative efforts, so that, for example, in Accra, Ghana, we can work with the Ghanans in a variety of areas, such as HIV research, specifically looking at some newer technologies and how AIDS can be treated from decreasing viral loads, to looking at the Belizeans and how we can look at deriving medicines out of the botanicals that are found in Central America. Zagreb, Croatia gives us a tremendous opportunity to be able to work with some very, very, very bright researchers and tying a lot of things together from a neurologic standpoint. Our offices in Mexico, we have the same setup there with the local universities where we can take our traditional technologies, utilize the local experts affiliated with the universities, and then develop those technologies into something more. In Riga, Latvia, we do the exact same thing. We will take our traditional technologies, spread those technologies around through those different offices so that we can, in fact, produce gold standard science, which is multi-centered. Really gives us a great way to provide efficient and very effective research and to get a broad spectrum of collective minds together. We also are about to open up an office in the Caribbean in an island called Montserrat because we want to look at some issues with regards to tropical medicine. So we really have a broad spectrum and a very wide cross-section of people in which we can draw from, both from a traditional medical standpoint and also from a research standpoint. We have some strong affiliations in China as well, which really lead to the ability to do large-scale, multi-center studies. I think probably, at least to me and how I relate my greatest accomplishments with regards to medicine, really has been, number one, just getting through school. Once you get out of school, pretty much things relax a little bit. But from a personal standpoint, I think the biggest thing that I can say, I would hope that I would have left as a legacy and an accomplishment, is being able to write a couple of textbooks to hopefully be able to stimulate those people who come behind into different ways of thinking and to expand their horizons. The other thing I think is probably a great accomplishment for us is, and for me personally, is to be able to take those traditional technologies that we were talking about earlier and expanding them into very non-traditional ways so that we can have impact not just on one person's life at a time, but hopefully on tens of thousands of people rather than just one individual.